Nuclear, snakes and blaggers. No ladder. It's time to trim the Lord. Listen up, claws, rise and repeat. Today we're gonna learn about lies and deceit, and the wolves that walk round and dress like sheep, and all these snakes in the grass with the venomous teeth. See, the thing you gotta learn about this world today is friends ain't always friends and sometimes betray. Your enemy can have a friendly face, then stick a blade in your back when you turn the other way. I'm sick of all these pricks to my face, they act charming, and when I turn my back they just stand there laughing. It's like these snakes in the grass are everlasting, so it's time to cut the grass in this overgrown garden. Time to rip the roots out of the ground and start knocking up the concrete and laying it down. Take a look at the way the snakes slither around, cause when you take away the grass they are easily found. Fake bricks to your face they lie to. You're so transparent I can hardly find you. I can see through you, I can see behind you, I can see the clock you're in front of and tell the time too. Try to deceive me, I'll deny you. Try be sneaky, you can only try to. You can try and trick me and try to lie to, but all you're gonna do is insult my IQ. So look into my eyes as they hypnotize you. As I'm looking in your eyes, I'm looking inside you, and you didn't think I knew about your lies, but I do. As I'm sitting in your mind and I start to fight you. Why you acting? Who you trying to lie to? Who the fuck sent you? Tell me who assigned you. You must be thick if you think I like you. If you're fake or a snake then I fucking despise you. Face it, to your face they don't spit. They got a lot to say but they don't say shit. Just like your shadow, they constantly creeping. All these snakes in the grass trying to sink their teeth in. Know that, to your back they go chat with the blade behind theirs, ready to attack. This world's full of sneaky backstabbers. Everywhere you go it's all snakes and blaggers. Sick of all these tricks to their face they smile, but when it's all about the teeth start lying. It's not me, it's to yourself you're lying. Trying to get the best of me, I'm not buying. I'm denying the lies you're supplying. The way that you fake to my face is surprising. You're so blatant with every little statement. You're so bad at lying, there's no point in trying.